Heavy rainstorms over the past month have left 31 people dead or missing in southwest China's Guizhou province. Torrential rain brought floods and landslides to Guizhou from May the 14th, affecting more than 1.42 million people and forcing 83,000 of them to relocate. More than 1,100 houses have been destroyed and 56,600 hectares of farmland damaged, causing over $435 million of direct economic losses. Local authorities have sent 2,050 tents and 11,000 boats to the affected regions. The province is bracing for more heavy rains in the next 2 days.